What's up everybody? It looks like there is going to be a potential shock drop for some big sneakers tomorrow. Let's get into some of the details. Alrighty, according to hyped.infos on Instagram, there is going to be a Nike SB Orange Lobster, a Jackie Robinson Dunk Low, and a Travis Scott Air Max 1 restock occurring on the sneakers app tomorrow. They are speculating that this restock should occur between 10 to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. These sneaker releases are huge, so if they do restock, they are going to sell out like that. Make sure you have that secure internet. Make sure you have your form of payment close to you. Make sure you close all your other tabs. It can just help you get in and make the process easier. Hopefully the sneakers app doesn't shut down on us or have any problems. This info just released though, so it is possible that other sneaker accounts haven't got the info yet to share. Like I said, these are some pretty big sneakers that are dropping. Hopefully if they drop tomorrow and you decide to enter, you are able to cop. As always, hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Make sure to check out some of the other sneaker content on the channel and check out the Poshmark and eBay for sneakers and streetwear. I'll see you in the next one. As always, I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Peace.